Number 1. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500, equipped with a 5.0L V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, showing 225,000 miles. It comes with an off-white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and clean look. The truck starts easily, runs, and drives, and it has had many new parts installed over time, making it a dependable vehicle for its age. Although the air conditioning is not currently working and the engine runs a bit rough, possibly due to a simple issue, it still performs well overall. As a 30-year-old truck, it is not perfect, but it remains a solid classic with good bones, suitable for daily use, light work, or as a project for someone looking to own a dependable vintage Chevrolet pickup. Number 2. 1990 GMC 1500, price $10,000, powered by a built 6.0 LLS engine with a rebuilt bottom end, ported and polished 243 heads, and a 595/595 cam with 108 lobe separation. It features upgraded valve train components, 1.82 comprocker arms, taller valve covers, a 92mm throttle body with TBSS intake, upgraded oil pump, and dual electric fans. The engine is paired with a built 4L60E automatic transmission and a Circle D 10-inch torque converter rated at 3,600 to 3,800 stall. Power is sent through an aluminum driveshaft with a titanium yoke to a refreshed rear differential equipped with a Yukon Posey in 4.30 gears, tuned for a 28-inch slick. Long tube headers and a 3-inch exhaust with X-pipe and Flowmaster mufflers complete the setup. Finished in burgundy inside and out, this gasoline-powered GMC has approximately 10,000 miles on the engine, transmission, and differential. It rides on brand new tires, includes autometer gauges, and features a Bell-Tech drop kit with new rough country shocks front and rear. Number 3. 1963 Ford F100, price $9,500. This truck has been carefully restored back to its original condition, preserving the classic character and charm of this vintage truck. It features a blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, creating a clean and timeless look. The truck is powered by its original 292 V8 engine, which is paired with a 3-speed 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, delivering an authentic driving experience true to the era. Overall, the vehicle is in beautiful condition both inside and out, showing well and reflecting the quality of the restoration. It runs and drives great, making it a solid and enjoyable classic. A clean title is included and ready for the next owner. Number 4. 1992 Ford F150, price $5,000, well-maintained and solid truck that runs and drives very well. It comes in a black exterior with a matching black interior and is powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has been upgraded with a brand new engine paired with a brand new manual transmission, offering strong performance and dependable drivability. It also features new front and rear headlights and an updated interior, providing a refreshed appearance and improved comfort. The body is clean with no rust, showing that the truck has been well cared for. With a strong drivetrain and a lot of recent work completed, this F150 is an excellent option for a daily driver, a reliable work truck, or a solid street project. Number 5. 1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. This truck is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a brown exterior paired with a brown interior. The truck is powered by a newer 350 engine fitted with headers, a carburetor, and cherry bomb exhausts. It also has a newer transmission with a shift kit and tow package installed. The interior has been customized, and the truck sits on 33-inch tires for a more aggressive stance. The odometer shows over 300,000 miles, although it is unclear if the dashboard is original to the truck, as the codes in the glove box do not match. There is one small rust spot located below the driver's door, which has been treated with rust stopper. Number 6. 1970 Ford F100, price $5,500, classic 2WD pickup equipped with a straight-six gasoline engine and a manual 3-on-the-tree transmission, offering an authentic vintage driving experience. The truck features a green exterior paired with a matching green interior, preserving its original classic look. While the body does have rust holes, these areas are clearly shown in the photos for transparency. Recent updates include brand new tires, a new fuel tank, and a few other small replacement items. The truck does run and drive, but it currently has a fuel leak from the gasket between the carburetor and intake that will need to be addressed. In addition, the brake master cylinder is not functioning properly and will need replacement. Number 7. 1967 Ford F100, price $5,900, with approximately 160,000 miles. It is equipped with a reliable inline 300 cubic inch 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. The engine starts and runs without any issues, the clutch feels firm, and the transmission shifts smoothly. The truck features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The body and bed are in solid condition with surprisingly little rust for its age, showing only some dents and scrapes, but overall it remains a good-looking truck. It runs and drives smoothly down the road, making it suitable as a daily driver. While not a perfect vehicle, this F100 is mechanically sound and represents a great starting point for building a classic truck. Number 8. 1984 Toyota pickup, price $7,000. It features a red exterior with an unfinished interior project. The truck runs and drives well, and it currently sits on newer tires with approximately 4,000 miles of use. The interior is still a work in progress. The headliner has been removed, but a brand new headliner along with extra material to redo the sun visors is included. It also comes with brand new carpet and re-upholstered seats, and the original bench seat is still available. The cab, doors, and hood are partially lined with sound-deadening material, and an acouphone dash cap is included. The air conditioning system works properly, but the pulley and belt are not currently installed due to previous issues, so it is not fully hooked up at the moment. Number 9. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,850. This truck has 177,000 miles and is powered by a 5.0-liter V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission with two-wheel drive. It comes with an 8-foot-long bed, making it well suited for hauling, work duties, or general daily use. The truck is in good running condition and has been very dependable. Recent maintenance includes new brake calipers and brake pads, as well as replacement of the ball joints, tie rod ends, and other front-end components using a complete Detroit axle kit, which helps ensure a solid and smooth ride. The driver's side fender was recently replaced with a new unit. The air conditioning is not currently operational. Both the interior and exterior are in good overall condition for its age, and the seat is in excellent shape with no tears or issues. Number 10. 1997 GMC 1500, price $2,500. This truck has accumulated 293,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior combined with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. This truck is a 2WD model powered by a 5.7L V8 engine, offering reliable performance for daily driving or light-duty work. The vehicle runs and drives well and comes with a Tennessee salvage title. The body is solid and nearly rust-free, which is a strong point considering its age. The interior has been well maintained and remains in good condition, showing that the truck has been cared for over the years. Overall, this GMC 1500 is a dependable, classic full-size pickup with strong mechanical features and a clean, well-kept appearance.